How to view Instagram Insights of Reel on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your Instagram feed over here. Then, tap on the Reels icon as shown. Open any of your Reels. And then, tap on View Insights below. You can now view the Reel insights over here, such as the overview, views information, retention, interactions, and more. Following these steps, you can easily view Instagram Insights of Reel on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.